day before our first beach trip. He's had beach trips before, but he doesn't know how much fun he's going to have tomorrow. She, on the other hand, is in for a shocker. This dude has been to the beach before, but he's out like a light. Till tomorrow.
Ready,
what day is it, bud?
Beach day.
Yeah! Let's go get something to eat first, though.
Okay.
Alright. So let's go get something to eat, sissy.
Yeah.
You ready to go eat? Alright, let's go.
Boing, boing.
Alright, let's quit bouncing. Let's go get some breakfast. Yeah. Come on, no more bouncing. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Come on, bud. Yay, morning one. Going to go get breakfast. Grumpy face over here and grumpy dad. Papa grumpy too.
Listen.
Yeah, but bud, say, let's not be grumpy. Say, we're not grumpy people.
Mommy don't.
Like mommy and grandpa.
We don't do mornings well.
Papa.
Whew, interesting morning. So, the father-in-law and the daughter have been arguing this morning, and now the father-in-law is trying to give us directions to get to the restaurant that they went to without us.
Turn left.
There's one direction on this entire little island thing we're on. So there's literally a restaurant called Grumpy's here, and I think that's where they need to go eat. So the wife is pointing something out that's kind of interesting. This is actually our first time back in a restaurant since COVID-19 started. This place is pretty packed. Come over here. Yeah? Go. Oh, well, okay, hopefully that works. Watch that win. Oh no. Sweet. Yeah, the one time I didn't record you playing it, you win. What'd you say?
You name him what? What are you gonna name it? You don't know.
You don't know.
He's a little baby bunny. He's cute.
He's so silly.
Ham or sausage patty. I'm 100% sure.
Here, I'll get you a fork here. I'm going to cut this up.
What is it? What? And he's got a tunnel and a sandcastle. Whoa, he's taking all the way through. Look at that. They put Thomas through the tunnel. Where's he coming out at? Whoa, he made it all the way through the castle mound. Oh no, meteor. Boom. You found something where? I found a seashell. Ah, you found Percy. Dig him out, man. Hurry. Oh, look at that. There's some kind of murder hornet thing. Jesus, there's two jellyfish around us and a murder hornet thing I just covered up. We're about to go to the pool, but there's way too many things out here just trying to kill us. You want to go down the what?
The slide.
You want to go down the slide? Alright, we gotta go this way. Hang on. Okay, there we go. Woo!